Let's get to know the text feature in Studio. To add custom text, navigate to the text panel. To add a text box, select Add Text field or choose a preset. Type your text into the box. At the top of the canvas, you will see the text bar. Here you can use preset sizes for headings, subheadings, and body copy, or customize the styling on your own. Select a font from the drop-down menu. Increase or decrease the size using the plus or minus buttons, or set custom sizes using the numbers. Bold, italicize, or underline here. You can set your letter or line spacing with this button here, and set your text alignment. Lastly, you can change the color of your text with this box here. There are many ways to change color. Use the sliders, color pick from your artwork, or use a preset. You can also set text gradients here. Choose a gradient and set each of the slider points to your desired colors. Play with the angles and more. You can create multiple text boxes and mix fonts and styles to create hierarchy, contrast, and visual appeal. And we're done. Get started with Studio now for free.